Want to add some inspiration or personality to your snaps? I'm going to show you how to easily add quotes to your Snapchat stories and photos, so let's dive right in. First up, open up Snapchat and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, take a photo or video as you normally would. This will be the background for your quote. Once you have your snap, tap the T icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the text tool. Now type your quote. You can type anything you want, whether it's a famous quote, a personal message, or just a few words. You can change the font and color of your quote by tapping the font button at the top of the screen. You can also change the text alignment by tapping the alignment button. Experiment with different fonts and colors to find the perfect look for your quote. You can resize and move your quote by dragging and pinching it. You can also rotate it by using two fingers. You can also add other effects such as stickers, filters, or drawings to further enhance your quote. Once you're happy with your quote and snap, you can send it to your friends or add it to your story. And that's how you add quotes to your snap and snap stories. It's a simple way to add personality and inspiration to your content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.